Hola, buenas tardes. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Pina para la Niña. It's a fantastic drink and it will make any niña very happy. Come, let me show you what you'll need. We're going to use some coconut beverage, the Pina or pineapple, some rum. We've got this blender. We need a cutting board. And we're going to use a few extra things to spice it up a notch. First, you're going to need to cut off the leafy part of the pineapple. Okay. Now we're going to core the pineapple. You can use a knife to do this and just cut around the inside of the edge, making sure not to go all the way to the bottom. However, we're going to use this handy dandy pineapple corer. Now, just make sure you get the core right over the middle here. Wow, so beautiful. Now, I would recommend, if you're going to use the core, to only go a little bit at a time. That way you won't go too deep into the pineapple and risk going all the way through. I'm going to start now to take some of this juice and pour it to the blender. Now we've removed the core of the pineapple, but we have this center part here. So we're just going to cut that out to make a little bit of extra space to put the drink in there. Now we've removed the core from the piña. This is what it looks like. It's not good for eating, but it's great in the piña, so we'll just put it right in there. So we've put some of the piña into the blender here. Now we're just going to add the other ingredients. For a true, authentic piña para la niña, you want to just guess with all of your quantities here. So now we're going to add some rum. This is a very nice rum, and now it's gone. Now we're going to add in this coconut beverage. I think we'll just finish it off too, why not? And now we'll just get some ice cubes. They'll help cool it off a little bit. Looks like we've got a little bit extra space, then we'll just put in a few more of these, piña pieces. The rest we'll save to eat as a snack. Now I just have to blend this up real quick here. No time. Now we pour it right back into the piña. We'll have a little bit extra for the next round. Now, you really want to kick it up here. You can reseal this with some toothpicks. Get the straw. Now we've created the piña para la niña. Let's go find the niña. I've located the niña. Hola, niña. Una piña?
Gracias.
De nada.
Wow, it's perfect.
Huacasles.